by because I'm still looking into the disappearance of this, Williamson fella.
Disappearance? So Goldie's got you convinced now?
No, not necessarily. Oh, by the way, I stopped by your office because I wanted to talk to you. I couldn't help noticing that smashed-up model of Williamson C.
What about it?
Nothing, I just wondered how it got broken.
Why do I have the feeling that you already know the answer to that question?
Well, your secretary did say something about Mr. Williamson coming in there, and she said he was kind of mad, and he kind of threw things around.
There's a perfectly simple explanation, Lieutenant. Bo was angry, and for good reason. We went ahead on the project without his permission. It was very undiplomatic of us.
I see. Us. Oh, you mean you and his wife?
Yes, well, Jennifer's an admirer of my work.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, she told me that. See, I got no problem.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Anyway, Bo came back from his trip, and he saw the plans. It took him by surprise. Bo is a volatile Texan. And when he gets angry, well, it shows. Fortunately, when I explained the project to him, he was delighted.
I see.